called him and we didn't get an answer this past Friday. I called him yesterday and I said, Dave, are you okay?
We're having an earthquake.
Yep. No.
Warranty and installed in as little as 1 day. We're Angie's List and get part approved.
Guaranteed mold-free, guaranteed leak-free, and guaranteed best price.
Call Bath Fitter now for your free in-home consultation. It's better with...
The following message has been authorized for transmission by the United States Geological Survey. A significant increase in seismic activity along the Wasatch Fault Line has caused a large-scale earthquake with a measured magnitude of 7.9, and with an epicenter of Farmington in Davis County, Utah. Moderate to severe damage is likely in the northern Utah area, as well as the following counties in central Utah and northern Idaho: Toole, UT, Juab, UT, Oneida, ID, Franklin, ID, and Bear Lake, ID. Areas outside the mentioned counties that can feel the earthquake can still face damages. Take immediate action. Keep out and away of buildings and structures. Find the nearest open area to you. Keep away from urban centers. New information will be broadcast as it becomes available.